Hello everyone. So I want to show us how to maximize our WhatsApp for business. Okay. So your WhatsApp, your business profile. First of all, you have to make sure you are using a WhatsApp business. Okay. You go to your Play Store and download the WhatsApp business app. Okay. Now your business profile. You click on these three dash lines here. Go to business tools, business profile. Now the first thing your profile picks, it's either your logo or your business picture. As in, don't just use any picture as your DP. Okay, you should use pictures that when people visit your WhatsApp, or when they click on your link, your WhatsApp link from anywhere, they are when the once they see it, they are able to know that okay, this is what this person does. Do you understand? So it's either your logo or your or your picture, a very nice picture, not just anyhow picture. Okay. Then you click on that's the business profile. You click on this that pencil icon there. Your business name, mine is Tima Consult, your phone number, what you do, a very brief description of what you do. Okay, now it's very necessary for you to maximize your words here. Okay, use catchy words for your business, details, just brief details about your business. Okay, it's also very important for you to add your address. When your audience or your prospects, when they visit your page and they are able to find your address, they feel you are traceable, and that induces trust. Okay, that doesn't make you look like a scam. Okay, so make sure you update your address. Then this is your hours that you are available, so update it. If it is Monday to Friday, just put it there. Mine is 24 hours. Okay, now your email address, this is where you are going to put your email address, your website link. If you don't have a website, you can put your Instagram link. You can even put your Facebook link, LinkedIn, Twitter, any link, any other social media handle you have. Okay, you can put it here, so that when people visit your profile, they can also check you through other profiles. Okay, so when they come here and all these places are is very maximized, they'll feel they can trust you. Okay, automatically. Not that when they come to your page, you have like a lion DP, things that are not relating to what you sell or what you do. Do you understand? Your address is not there, so they will still query you and query you and query you before they can decide to trust you and all that. Okay, so that is it about the um profile. Okay, so now setting the away message. There's messages here. Okay, yeah, let's move to catalog first. So this catalog here is optional. Okay, if you are selling products, you add your product picture, the amount, and the name and the amount. Okay, if you are not selling products, for service based owner too, you can also add your flyers, your logos, probably your business flyers, that state your services and all that. You can use it, but it's optional. Do you understand? It's optional. It is if you like. Okay, so now your away message and greeting message allows it makes your customers feel welcomed, and it also make them not to feel ignored. Okay, for instance, let's say you are busy, you have not been able to attend to your WhatsApp. Once they send you a message and a message comes into them, they feel okay, they are not ignored. Do you understand? Then your greeting message, that one is a message. That message is set for people that are contacting you for the first time. Okay, so you can also optimize that. Just you can craft your wordings. Just this is where you craft your wordings and all that. I locked my away message. I don't send away message. I only have my greeting message only. This is what I say: thank you for contacting my consult, kindly save up our contact to have access to our free business trade. That is my own greeting message. So you can also craft yours. It could be welcome to B Empire Collections store. this is what we do, how can we help you, thanks for contacting us, so you are just create a very short message, very short, don't make it too long, very short and captivating. Okay, so this quick replies, I don't really use this, but it's also very good for people that have so many, that are always getting so many message that you send frequently. You can quickly add a quick reply to it. Okay, for instance, let's say your account details, instead of you to be sending your account details to people one after the other, you can just craft it, make it up as a quick reply. Okay, then your labels, this is where you add your new customer, you label them, is optional. Okay, it's optional. This is for people that have so many orders and some are owing. This is how you are able to differentiate them so that you don't mix them up or you don't forget at the end of the day. Do you understand? So that is what it is for. Then your short link, this is your Instagram link. I'm sorry, this is your WhatsApp link. You can post it on your Instagram, on your Facebook, on your any other on your website, any of your social media handles that requires a link. This is where your link is. Okay. So thank you very much.